If you need to delete a survey in SurveyMonkey, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're cleaning up old projects, removing a test survey, or getting rid of something you no longer need, this is a simple way to do it in just a few clicks. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this one. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the homepage, sign in if needed so you can see your surveys and manage them from your account dashboard. After that, look through your list of surveys and select the survey that you want to delete. Take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one, because once a survey is deleted, it may not be easy to recover. Now that the survey is selected, look for the three dots menu, usually found next to the survey name or in the options area. Click on those three dots to open the actions menu. From there, you should see a delete option. Go ahead and click delete. SurveyMonkey will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the survey, so this is your chance to double check everything before moving forward. On the confirmation prompt, click delete again to finish the process. Once you confirm, SurveyMonkey will remove the survey from your account. That's it. Your survey has now been deleted successfully. This is a fast and effective way to keep your dashboard organized and remove surveys you no longer need. If you're managing multiple surveys, repeating this process can help you stay organized and keep only the projects that matter. And if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.